Okay, here's a quick tour of 3584 Waverly. The exterior is going to be white. They just haven't painted that yet. This entrance will take you up to the first floor main living area. There's Michelle. Say hi, Michelle. So this is going to be kind of an eating area here and a family room here. Here's for the appliances. It's a Viking appliance package, and there'll also be an island here. First floor deck. I own that lot over there. That's the next project.
Yeah, it's only 10 degrees. Less than
Half bathroom. Here's the first floor bedroom. It's a decent sized bathroom, but I think this is the smallest bathroom of all the bedrooms. So every bedroom has its own dedicated bathroom. We've put all of the a lot of outlets kind of chest high, so you can plug in TVs, hang those on the wall without dragging cords down to the bottom. Every bathroom has its own private deck. So here's the first floor bedrooms deck. I think these ceilings are 9 foot 6 inches. Every door in the house is an 8-foot door, interior doors and exterior doors. They said this is 9.6. That looks like it may be a 10-foot ceiling though, because that looks like 2 feet between the top of that door and the ceiling. I don't know. Point is, it does not feel cramped in here at all with these high ceilings. Okay, we'll go upstairs. The other bedrooms up here. This is mechanicals. This is for washer dryer. Here's the master bedroom. It's a good sized master bedroom. Got this decorative feature with the ceiling. I'm not sure if I'm a fan, but it is what it is. Good sized master bath. This is gonna be a walk-in shower here. Little spot for a toilet there. There's going to be a tub right there. I thought this would have a walk-in closet. Apparently it does not. Master bedrooms should have walk-in closets if you ask me, but whatever. Here's the deck for the master bedroom. Right there's Destin Harbor. And right there's the Gulf of Mexico. So you got some nice views here. The decking came in a few days ago. It's a competitor of TimberTech. So it's kind of like a plastic decking material, but it looks like wood. Here's the other third bedroom here in the back of the house. Small walk-in closet, but really good size here. The bathroom goes back pretty far. And then here's the deck for this bedroom. Again, great view of the Gulf of Mexico from this deck. That's it for the inside.